Hello everybody. This is a different kind of video for you on a Wednesday. On a Wednesday normally you see my hands and you see me making a creative project, but I think this may be the first or possibly the second time this has been on camera. I don't normally show my face on camera when I'm filming tutorials for you, but I don't have a tutorial for you. But there's a very, very good reason why I have decided to come and talk to you on YouTube, face to whatever to all of you. So we had some really exciting news on Monday night and Tuesday morning to the full demonstrator base, and Stampin' Up is expanding into 2 brand new countries that I have been asking for the 9 years I've been a demonstrator. So later this year we are going to be opening up in Ireland and in Belgium. So obviously that benefits European demonstrators, so it's going to be great for us, but I wanted to share it with everybody, and I felt that it was important enough but exciting enough for me to come and talk to you. Do you know what, all my videos this week are a right old shuffle around. I moved the video that was meant to be today, I moved it to Monday anyway, and so I should have been filming a tutorial today or yesterday, Tuesday, for today. That's been shuffled. I've moved something else to Friday. Normally I don't film live the day before I share with you, but yeah, all shuffle so that I could come straight out to share this with you. Now, as much as I know it will be before the end of this year, I'm fingers crossed hopeful for October time. Pretty confident it's not going to be over the summer. We Europeans travel in the summer. We're on holidays, school holidays, traveling. We're going to other sunny climes around Europe, so it's pretty confident it's not going to be July, August or September. So I'm hopeful for October, but it will be before the end of the year. That much I do know. I can answer any other question that you may have, because you're going to be joining us exactly as the same demonstrator I am, under the same compensation plan, under the same opportunities, and you can shop in the same way that my current customers can, or you will be able to. Of course you won't be able to until we're officially open. We'll have 30 days notice of when that will be, but I've already put it out on social media, and I have already been in contact with dozens of people who over the years have said, Sam, are you open in Belgium? Sam, are you open in Ireland? And obviously we haven't been able to, but I have kept their emails safe for many, many, many years. So I've already got those emails out to people, and lots of people have come back and said, I'm so excited, can't wait, tell us, and we'll be there on the first day shopping and joining. But like I said, I felt this was information that I didn't really want to put out in just a blog post, and I didn't want to drop it in as a chatty comment while filming a tutorial. I felt that it was a video that I needed to share on its own, so just me chatting. So I'm really, really excited. So, oh goodness, yeah, see, I don't edit my videos, I don't even edit these ones, but I've just come off a live broadcast with my incredible team. So I have direct demonstrators in our existing 5 countries, the Netherlands, the UK, Germany, France and Austria, and I'm the only demonstrator in the whole company who has direct team members in all 5 countries, and I'd like to make it 7, adding in Belgium and Ireland. But I have a huge team. There's over 400 of us that are spread across the current 5 countries, in all languages. And obviously Belgium is bordered by France, Germany and the Netherlands, and Ireland is bordered by Northern Ireland and across the water from Holyhead in North Wales. And I'm just really excited. My team are not local to me. I've never had a local team. I've always been an international team leader, I suppose is probably the best way to word it. I've always had people who've shopped with me from all over the UK and Europe, or the countries in Europe we're open in, and I've always had people join me from all over. We've never let geography stand in the way. I'm very excited that we've got a team event coming up at the end of September, and that will be in Birmingham, so that my international team can fly in comfortably and easily for it. And it's great for trains, planes and automobiles for my local team. And I love the fact that I have customers shop with me from all over the UK and all over Europe, because they don't worry about where I'm based, because they're shopping online and having it delivered direct to their door. And yeah, geography's never been an issue for me. And I talk to the team every couple of weeks via live broadcasts, so they get to see me like this. Sometimes I'm with the hair screwed up in a knot, sometimes not, and we chat in our team Facebook group all day, every day. And it's a nice buzzy team. And I think just really what I'm wanting to share is that being part of Stampin' Up is not restricted to who's in your local town or in your local catchment area. It's expanding, making a very big world very small, and that's such a good thing. I work from home. I live where I work. I don't go out very much. My small people will be coming home from school shortly as I'm filming this video. I'm filming it the afternoon before you're seeing it. It's Tuesday afternoon for me. Wednesday morning it's going live with you. But I work and live in the same place, so I don't go out very much and I don't see people very often. And actually, when I joined Stampin' Up, my world got very small, or the world got very small, and mine got bigger, with loads of people being introduced to me and to sharing their crafting with me and sharing their everything with me. And I absolutely love it. And I when I joined just really to get discounted stuff I was selling at craft fairs, that was my plan when I joined 9 years ago. I had to do a lane swerve quite quickly. That's a story for another day. It's a story I've shared before. Had to do a lane swerve quite quickly and change what I was doing, and I wouldn't ever change it now. I've had so many opportunities to go to places and to see people and meet with other people, all for the love of paper and crafting. And that's why I felt this was such an exciting opportunity that I wanted to bravely put my face on camera and share with you, voice and face to you, as I said, rather than just me, you know, dropping it in as an ad hoc comment while filming a tutorial. And I have got lots of tutorials ready to come out to you. Kind of business will, you know, normal service will resume properly next week with a whole batch of tutorials. Obviously, as you know, I've just got back off 2 trips away with my son and then my husband, and it's just, I've had opportunities to share stuff, tutorials next week, and that's the greatest thing about being a demonstrator, is that I can choose what I do. I'm my boss. I'm my boss, and I'm actually, yeah, and I get to choose what I want to share. And you're all my boss because you asked me to do stuff. So, but anyway, 7 minutes of chatter, really excited. Ireland and Belgium, please, 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 if you want to get on my list, or if you just want to find out a little bit more, let me know. You can drop me an email, sam@pootles.co.uk. I will put that in the description bar. If you're watching this on my blog, just click one of the contact me buttons on the side. Yeah, Belgium and Ireland. Can't wait. It's exciting. It's exciting. So yeah, if you want to get a catalogue ready to shop, or you want a catalogue ready to join, or if you just want to hear more information, shout and let me know. Anyway, Friday, I'm trying to think what Friday's video is. Friday's video is going to be the paper showcase, and then Monday back to tutorials. And I'm looking across my office. I have got 12 very exciting ones coming out for you for July. Exciting. Anyway, speak to you all soon.